Am I the only one that didn't know a mongoose could ruin your day? Turns out in Jamaica it's a whole thing. So picture this. You're cruising down a Jamaican road, Bob Marley playing, when bam, a mongoose crosses and then cheekily doubles back. You're doomed, or so they say. Now Jamaicans love a good sign, dreams, prophecies, and oh, those red flags. But what's the big fuss? It's all about blending culture, folklore, and a pinch of drama. See, being religious is about faith in the divine. Superstition, that's about faith in, well, anything else. From a cat sneeze to a splitting broom, everything's got a story. And why so dramatic? Because with a culture that's rich and vibrant, even superstitions get the royal treatment. Every sign is a plot twist, every dream a prophecy, and every mongoose a potential disaster. So next time, keep your eyes peeled and your fingers crossed.